All right, today we're going to repair this grill shell. It's a 79 Monte Carlo with Plastex, and this time we're doing a crack repair, and eventually we're going to rebuild and reattach this tab and then remake this tab here. For now, we're going to take a Dremel tool, and this is the crack right here. And we're going to take this Dremel tool and we're going to V this out from the face. And so when we're done with that, I'll show you and we'll continue on with the repair. Okay, continuing on with this grill shell repair, this was a crack and we V'd this out with the Dremel here. When you V it out, you always want to make sure you're getting all the way through the crack to the back side. That's the main thing. You need the material, just like a weld, to fully penetrate the whole thickness of the grill. So you can back this, we'll back this up with packaging tape here to keep it from falling through. And you don't need to make the repair any thicker than the original part, otherwise it'll crack out here. But just fill that in to make it flush. And so we're gonna put packaging tape on here, on the back side. Just slide it up in there and fasten that in, or push it in. And then we know it's clean already because I ground it off. And then we're going to take and just fill that crack and just work our way towards put a couple drops in here, pick it up. And you can put too much, it doesn't matter. We'll put tape over the top here. But push out more liquid till it just kind of self-levels and goes right into the crack. By doing this too, you're relieving any stress on the part so that it's not trying to pull itself apart, which also helps. A lot of times the stress is what causes these things to crack. So we're pretty well across on that. So what I can do to kind of help push that in place and make sure it's smooth and take less sanding is I'll put a piece of tape on the face too. And just take my hand and just run it right across there like that. And that's really all it takes to fix a crack in something. It's that quick and easy. And when this is dry in about 20 minutes, we'll pull the tape and just sand that smooth, and that'll be just like it was never broken. Thanks again for watching the repair here at Plastex, fixing a grill. And if you ever have the product and you have any questions, you can always call us and ask us how to do things, and we'll be happy to help you out.